it was pretty much the talk of the neighborhood that we needed a new driveway. It kind of became a joke. So we're very happy that we were able to get it done.
The process with J&W Asphalt was great.
I was amazed actually at how fast it went. We were done actually ahead of schedule.
Yeah, and I think in regards to the quality of the driveway, it's nice and smooth. The kids really enjoy it now compared to what it used to be. You really had to have shoes on at all times to walk on it because it was so broken up.
The whole crew was really nice to work with, friendly, and so it was just an overall really awesome experience.